Welcome to Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Today we'll be taking you on Deck 5 and Deck 6. We're starting here on Deck 5 at the Pink Agave. That's the Mexican-style restaurant. This is Sailor Services. They have live people there to help you 24 hours a day. Remember, you float our boat. There's a cash ATM machine here. You'll find hand sanitizers located many locations throughout the ship as well. This is where you can pick up that daily newspaper flyer to find out what's happening on the ship and when and where it's going to happen. Moving on to the elevators, there's a sign here to tell you what there is on Deck 5, highlighted in the gold. Across the hall, there's another restaurant known as Razzle Dazzle. Razzle Dazzle is known for its naughty and nice menu with both veggie options and comfort food. Redemption Spa is a great place to relax. We went there and got a couples massage. We also got a half-day day pass in the spa so we could get on those hot stone beds and get in that plunge pool and the hot tub. And there's also a mud room in there. You gotta see it for yourself. On Deck 6, you'll find all your shopping. Today it's closed because we're in the port of Bimini, but we want to give you a little walk around while the crowd's not high. The Test Kitchen is a multi-course restaurant that most closely resembles the chef's table on other cruise lines, but it's included in your cost. We ran into R2-D2's distant cousin, S-Car Can't Go. Yeah, he's working here on Virgin Voyages and the Scarlet Lady, selling stuff. How about that? This is Extra Virgin. It's the Italian restaurant on the ship. The ladies' bathroom was by the Test Kitchen side of the ship. The men's room is over here by Extra Virgin. This shop is where I bought my Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady t-shirt. Ladies, come get your hair fixed in here. Men, come get your hair fixed in here. Then ladies, come on over and get you some makeup fix-up. How about going over here to the Booty Free and getting you some alcohol? And then step on over to Squid Ink and get you a tattoo. Then look for this sign right here so you can find out how to get to the nearest bar. And then there it is, right there on deck 6. Head on over. If you see a seat somewhere to sit in on the ship, there's probably an outlet next to it for 110 or USB or both. We had no trouble finding outlets anywhere on the ship. When the casino was open on the Scarlet Lady, it was a very busy place. We stopped in to see the activity for ourselves. They had all kinds of games going. Roulette, blackjack, all the machine games that you could care to find. They seemed to have everything there and people were really having a good time. There's also an ATM machine there. The Red Room is what would be the main theater on other ships, except it is multi-changeable. It can have chairs, it can have no chairs, it can do a lot of stuff in there. Our first cruise with Virgin Voyages on the Scarlet Lady left us wanting more. This will not be our last cruise with Virgin, and we're looking forward to booking with them in the future. Come check it out for yourself. It's an adults-only cruise line that does things different than everybody else. Find out if you love it or you really love it. See it for yourself.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.